Hello everybody, welcome back to Gordon's English School. Today we're going to do a 5-part series on Moana's Disney's movie, Learning English with Moana. Let's roll the tape. Here we go.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try.
See the line, so the line where the sky meets the sea. So what they're talking about is something called the horizon in the ocean, where the sky, the blue sky, is meeting the blue ocean. I've been staring at the edge of the water. So the word there is interesting because I've been staring means she's looking very seriously or intently at the water line. She said the word edge of the water. So I've been staring at the edge of the water. It's actually where, we have a couple different words here in English that we can use. Some people say the seashore. Some people say the beach. But she's talking about where the water and the land meet. That's the edge of the water. Never really knowing why. So she's been staring at the water and she's interested in, she's like mesmerized by the water, but she doesn't know why. So she's trying to figure out why is she always looking at the water? Has that ever happened to you before? Looking at something that you don't know why? I wish I could be the perfect daughter. But I come back to the water. So she's singing, I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard she tries. She's trying to fit in with her village people. Of course, this is a movie about Hawaii, Maui maybe, and but she's mesmerized. She's always called away from her important life things to do, always to go back to the ocean or back to the water because that's where that's what she loves. She loves the water. No matter what she does, the water always calls her back. It's like a magnet for her. She doesn't know why. Always going back.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try.
Okay. All right, so that's the end of our part 1. I want you to go ahead and click this next button here so you can go to part 2 right away and keep watching our Moana series, Learning English with Moana's Disney. Alrighty.